Hi, my name's Ash. I'm one of the final year medical students. Could I just check your name and date of birth, please?
Yeah, my name's Grace Farrington and I was born on the 26th of January 1990.
Okay, Grace, we'd like to examine your eyes today and test your vision. Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Are those the glasses that you normally use to look in the distance with?
Yeah.
If you could keep those on for me, please, and cover up your left eye.
Okay.
And then with your right eye, read down as far the chart as you can.
T, V, H, X, U, A, H, T, Y, O, V, U, A, X, T, H, Y, X. That's it.
Okay, and if you could cover up your other eye for me, please.
Okay. T, V, H, X, U, H, U, Y.
That's great. Okay, now if you cover up your left eye again for me, please.
Yeah.
I've got some little holes here. If you could hold those against your right eye, look through the little holes and see how far down you can read.
T, H, A, Y, O, U, X. And that's it.
So now I'm going to test your near vision. If you just read the smallest line that you can. If you can't read anything on that page, then we'll test with the other page. Grace, if you could cover up your left eye for me, please, and read the smallest line that you can do at arm's length with your right eye.
Sense of breaking new ground by actual experience is still more apparent in the arts, and here it has wider scope and a greater basis of reality.
That's great, thank you very much. And if you could do the same with your other eye for me, please.
As we went along in
Okay, Grace, I'm going to check your visual fields now. If you could take your glasses off for me, please. And if you could cover up your right eye for me, please. Have a look at my nose here. Is there any part of my face that's missing?
No.
And then cover up your left eye for me and have a look at my nose again. Is there any part of my face that's missing?
No.
Have a look at my eye there and say when you can see my fingers.
Yeah.
Say if they disappear.
No.
Tell me when you can see my fingers.
Yeah.
Say if they disappear.
No.
Okay. Say when you can see my fingers.
Yeah.
Say if they disappear.
No.
Say when you can see my fingers.
Yeah.
Say if they disappear.
No.
Now I'm going to examine your pupil responses. So if you could fix on an object in the distance for me, please.
Okay.
I'm going to shine a bright light in your eyes. It's going to go from one eye to the other eye.
Okay.
Now I'm going to go from one eye to the other eye. I'm now going to test how your pupils respond to focusing close. So if you could have a look at the light switch there in the distance.
Okay.
And then have a look at my finger here. Okay, great. So I'm going to check your eye movements now.
Okay.
If you could have a look at this red dot for me. Are you seeing one or two red dots?
One red dot.
Okay, if you could follow it with your eyes and keep your head still for me, please. And tell me if you get any double vision. Any double vision there at all?
No.
Okay, thank you. To look at the front surface of the eye, you can turn the ophthalmoscope on and change the number here in the dial to a green number that is high, either 10 or 15, and then that changes the ophthalmoscope into a magnifying glass to look at the front surface of the eye. To get the red light reflex, change it back to 0, and to have a look in the back of the eye, change it to 0 also. Okay, Grace, I'm going to have a closer look at your eyes now with this machine here. If you could have a look for me in the distance over there, perhaps at the light switch. Okay. I'm going to come closer and there's going to be a bright light. I'll pop a hand on your shoulder so that we don't bump into each other.
Okay.
I'm going to come closer in now. Okay, and look at the light for me, please. Okay, that's the end of the examination. Do you have any questions before we finish?
No.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.